COVID-19 is more deadly than the flu, and there is no cure.
And Hoosiers are dying every day.
But we know that most of the people who get this virus will be okay.
Most of the people who get this will survive.
But some will face severe illnesses.
This is why we have taken all of these unusual and drastic steps.
And why this period of our lives feels like nothing most of us has ever experienced.
If you are still scared, let me offer this. Indiana is home to more than 16,000 licensed physicians, and I am one of them.
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 I'm Dr. Jen Sullivan, your Indiana Family and Social Services Administration Secretary. But I'm also an emergency room physician at Riley Hospital for Children and continue to work there every week.
I am Dr. Dan Rosiniak, your Chief Medical Officer at the Indiana Family and Social Services Administration. But I am also an emergency medicine physician at Eskenazi and continue to treat patients every week.
I am Dr. Michael Kaufman, your State EMS Medical Director with the Indiana Department of Homeland Security. I'm also an emergency and EMS physician with Ascension St. Vincent, and continue to work clinically overseeing our EMS, stat flight, and critical care transport programs.
I am Dr. Lindsay Weaver, your Indiana State Department of Health Chief Medical Officer. I'm also an emergency room physician at IU Health and continue to work at least one shift a week.
As a physician, I will continue to show up.
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 We, the entire frontline team, will be there.
If you need help, the doctors, nurses, paramedics, and other healthcare professionals across this nation are going to be waiting at the door to make sure that we do everything we can to help you.
We may look intimidating under all of our protective gear, but we are normal people under the mask who are trying to do everything we can for you.
Thank you to our colleagues who are fighting this pandemic every day.
And thank you to Hoosiers who are hunkering down so we can come out stronger.
And we will come out stronger. Thank you to the nearly 170,000 doctors and nurses who call Indiana home. I'm grateful to each and every one of you for the work that you do in all of our Hoosier communities every day. We are in this together.